Abantu waneno twaito yagala nyimbe nokamana kugamba otandika okuyimba sidda waka because I don't blame her. Okuyimba edda kwalinga kitu kya buyaye, abayimba bayaye, abayimba bakola ebintu ebitategerekeka, but because we are artists, when we come on stage we have to be creative, but we have brains behind that. It's a business. Mama wange badde ngamba abantu tu nabadde njagala bagamba nze wangulirako ku pad mama twalina wajjukirayo okungulira ku pad twekijjukira nkimanyi mama wange oyo yansalirasaliranga bu towels n'abugatta when again I menstrual period for the first time. And no offense guys, we are talking about these things because we need to be aware of these things. It's no longer something we hide. It's not embarrassing, it's part of us. It's life. It's nature. It's human. So my mom would get towels. Ngamusala n'abukunganya n'amuteera awo ate n'amponinga. Kwanza mukyala muyonjo nnyo. Nga omulaba era ne gomesi yabadde ngamba erina okubeera ya white. But I was like, no, you have 6 plain white. I'm bringing some flowers. It's like white. So ngamba obuntu bw'omutadde awo naye olina obuwoza, olina obucleaninga, olina. I wasn't comfortable. First of all, you cannot be comfortable in a situation like that. But I didn't have a choice. But now that I have a choice, I'm gonna make a difference to those girls right now who don't have a choice, just like a bit. All I am asking you to do is give me one chance, try this part, and you will tell me. Again, I'm going to thank you, Queen Mother, for blessing me with this opportunity of your presence. I'm going to thank each and everybody. Anne can see me. I love you, man. You're one of the most supportive women I know in Uganda. Yeah. That woman got to know about my product, I think, a few years ago. But since she got to know about it, every time she calls, she's like, because I wanted her to be in the ad, but she's Anne. I don't have 30 million to hire her at this point of time when I'm just beginning a product. So I called her. We had dinner at my place. We talked about this product. And she was like, Sheebah, forget about the money. I'm in. What do you want me to do? Do I spend the whole day there? What do we do? Should I join the team? And when we were shooting, yes. And when we were shooting the ad, oh my God, she was in it. You know, when someone comes to support you, but also shows you, I'm here for it. I'm here to support you, not just to show face. Thank you, Anne. Thank you. I've just gotten to know that Ambassador Solomon has got a good job, but as Cindy said, Arnold, I'm checking it. Arnold, thank you so much, Arnold. Omami and for product Jerimu. He would help us with each and everything until we got the product in Uganda. Last minute, 4 days ago, because of the coronavirus going on, unfortunately, we couldn't have the product yet. I think I launched it. So I almost shocked him. He couldn't tell me anything because this was supposed to go on. I'm sorry, Arnold, I'm so passionate about my work. But I didn't mean no harm. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you, everybody. To the women, to the queens. By the way, I'm supporting my 24/7. I think I'm Sajja. Kabako. Naye babula industry sinyangu kufuna abantu balungi sinyangu kimanyi sinayo sinyangu, but this industry is tricky. Having someone who fights for you, I don't pay him, I don't do anything for him, but when he has something wrong, he's gonna be my spokesman, my nigga. I respect you, I appreciate you, I appreciate each and everything you do for me. You wanna say something? No? Okay. Thank you. I want to recognize America, one of my friends. I see you. Hanson, I see you. Rachel K, I see you. Peter, I see you. Everybody there. Bannange, honorable, tweyanziza ssebo kujja. N'omukyala, thank you so much for hosting for honoring our invitation. Thank you so much. I remember coming to your office, Honorable, and topic here, you know, and you told me just do the thing. People will come around, and this is what I'm doing. Thank you so much. I want to recognize my friends, my personal friends, who have been there for me. Shout out to you. You know yourselves. Thank you so much for being there for me. I want to also say hi to Patricia. I see you. You're all now grown up. Yes. Shout out to you. She is my aunt too. Thank you so much. And she is going to perform for you after this. So, I think it's enough with the speeches from me. And Ken, what will you cut his speech? What do you say? To be continued another day. Let me take this opportunity also to shout out to Sharon O and Jackie O. Thank you so much. Yeah. You all know my story. I started in Sting as a dancing group, and then I went to Obsessions in 2007, replacing Cleopatra. And those girls were my mentors. So it means a lot to me that you both are here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Brenda Nanyonjo, thank you. You know, thank you. Thank you. All the queens, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for being patient. Thank you so much. I know these events, they're new to me, man. They're new to me. They're more speeches than dancing, but I like them, you know. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, I'm going to go because if I start talking about this product, I will stop because I love it. Thank you so much, Queen Mother. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming. My brother, how are you feeling? Oli otya? Mama. Oli bulungi? For me, as long as she says that my mom is my everything. Thank you, Mama. Neyanziza. Kanfukamye tumulako kanfukamye Estera. Neyanziza mama. Yakimanyi ebintu byange ebisinga eby'obuyimbi tobitegeera naye neyanziza okutegeera obwongo bwange. Tiwentuula naawe nekunnyonnyola atya mama siba bwerere. I have to explain to her. Teekamu obuntu munda ne mbumulaga. Nsookamu obuntu busatu nga bufaanagana omubiri gwange ne ndyoka nnyambala. I used to lie to her about my tattoos. Nga kanalowooza akali koggulo kange kamuli kateekako obuteesi. She found me sleeping nakatakula. Yeah. And then when I woke up, she's like, eno chichichino, kati chivaako. Wangambye kamuli. Neyanziza mama okuntegeera. Neyanziza nkimanyi kikutwalidde ebbanga okutegeera bino ebintu bwe bikola. Neyanziza kutegeera bwongo bwange bino tobitegeera nga manya n'omwana we yaani. Thank you. And neyanzizako okuzawuka. Oyise bintu bingi nnyo ku lwaffe. I don't even want to think about what you've gone through. Neyanziza nnyo on behalf of abaganda bange bonna njagala fukamira nkugambe tukusinga byonna byoyiseemu. Thank you. Mariam ajjukidde ofukamira sengaawe nga biwedde. Sengaawe akwagala either way. Thank you so much. I'm going to take this opportunity to show you a beautiful art right now. Our advert for the Holy Pads launch. I hope you enjoy it. And after this, I'm coming back. Oh, no. Mommy, where are you?
Yes, I know you are there. Queen Sheebah, you are here, Queen. And my fellow queens. I love the theme of today. Queens know the best. Sheebah knows the best. Best knows the best. Honorable Minister of Tourism, honorable members from Tooro Kingdom, Mama Halima, Dr. is Kansime here in the house.
Yes, she's here.
Kansime, when I end my speech, you'll come here because I will love you, whatever you do, Kansime. The director, Maria. Maria, I love you. The management and staff of Sheebah Investments. The invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. I bring you greetings from the Omukama and Tooro and the people of Tooro Kingdom. I want to start by appreciating you all for participating in this official launch of Polling Pads. The plight of girl child, women and things are fundamental for well-being, are very close and dear to my heart. It therefore gives me a great pleasure to be here with you to launch on Polling Pad. Others they call it Hallie Pad. But that's American accent for Halima. An initiative tool for the menstrual health management. That is an integral part of every girl's and women's life. As you all aware, many girls and women still lack access to proper resources. Hope Sheebah, these health pads are not very expensive because that's what the problem has been in schools because of resources. To manage their menstrual health in safe, hygienic ways and often find themselves being ostracized by their communities, develop wealth issues, and even interfaces with their education leading to dropping out of school. Menstruation is one of the most normal biological processes, as well as a key sign of productive health. Yet in many countries, in many cultures today, it is still greatly stigmatized and treated as something shameful or dirty. This must stop and should not be happening in this year 2020. And it needs all our joint efforts to end the stigmatization and ill treatment of girls and women because of menstruation. Sheebah was talking about sheets, cutting, and my friend here, I think most of my age all went through that, cutting and doing this and that, but you are lucky, the girls of today will all use pads. I commend you, Sheebah, kalungi, Queen, for this great initiative of manufacturing Hallie pads. That will ensure the girls and women have access to comfortable, affordable, and quality sanitary towels. Thank you, Sheebah, for being a good ambassador for girls and women empowerment. I also want to recognize the Sheebah establishments, a social enterprise that has committed to helping unprivileged girls while giving back by hiring 80% of the qualified, which is a noble initiative that must be supported by all of us. Sheebah, you have my support. It's therefore, I think I should stay in school and thrive to a positive contribute towards the development of our country, and most importantly, contribute towards the achievement of sustainable development goals. I urge you all to buy holy cards and support this initiative. Menstruation should never impede upon girls' education, safety, or well-being. I thank you for your kind attention. Thank you so much. And I want to thank Mama Sheebah. I'm happy to see you and the whole family for being here and support this initiative. And I want to thank, I love artists because they look different from us. All artists in the house, I love you. And this is a special announcement. I want to invite you to come on to tour in September for the King's coronation. And I want to see every face who is here to be told. The King will be having 25 years of as a king. That will be significant. We shall have summit. The kings and queens will be there. Come and work. Be with us as Sheebah brought us all here. I want you to bring also you into our kingdom. Thank you so much, Sheebah. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Can I call upon Kansile? Kansile. I love you, Kansile.
Of course I love you more.
Yeah. Thank you, Queen Sheebah, for bringing Kansile. I always Google her. I always try to listen because when something